My topic for today is about love. Love is the feeling that you feel when you feel someone's very special to you. And I think it has three branches. It can make you happy, it can make you inspired, and it's God's love. It can make you happy because when you feel love, you have a reason to smile. And because of love, you can think of good things about it. And the second one is when you're inspired. When you're inspired, you can do things that you imagine impossible. Like you cannot finish a project alone. When you are inspired with love, you can do it all by yourself. And the third one is God's love. Of course, He's the first one that makes us feel love. Without Him, we can't have love for each other, and we can't love others and others. So, as for my conclusion, love is the greatest feeling of all, and without love, we cannot be a human, a real human. That's all.